Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about inspect panel. So if I click on this inspect panel, you can see options like code, you can see also the CSS, and if I click on this you can see the options like iOS or Android. And this is the code, and if I click on this is the table. From here you can see this the background color of this project, that is gray. And currently I'm not selected anything, it is in background. If I select this my first frame, this is desktop 1, and you can see options like currently I'm selected desktop 1 frame, and all the properties like width, height, top, left, and the blend. Also the color, currently it is totally white, so the color is, the hex code is FFF for 6 time. And you can see the code part also. Let's say your teammate is a web developer, front-end web developer, and he's working with CSV, so he can just copy these properties and he can just paste it into his code, so he don't have to write anything, like only these properties like height, what is the height, position, width, and the background color. And if I click on this like imaginary programmer text, so it will tell me you can see all the properties like width, height, left, blend also, and what is the text and what is the content. You can see in topography it will say what kind of font I used, height, width, size, length of it, what are the colors I used. Like I used the gradient color, the like one is purple and the one is like a lavender color. And in this code chain you can see CSS, iOS, and Android option. And if I click on this iOS button, then you can see we have iOS code, so we can just copy and paste it in our iOS application development code. And it is also same for Android. You can just copy and paste it into development code like this. You can also view the what is the table content for it, like colors and the type of the font, size, height, and all that. What is the X position, what is the Y position. So you can see I use this Monsterate alternates font, and width is 700, style is normal. If I change this into bold, then it will show me this is the bold. So it will also tell me about what is the size of the pixel. Currently it is 60 pixel, what is the line height, and all that. So that's kind of option you will get in the inspection panel. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.